equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Start by gathering your tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a soft cloth, and some compressed air. First, power off your PlayStation 5 and unplug it. This ensures safety during the cleaning process. Next, remove the screws on the base. Keep them in a safe place. Carefully lift the cover off to expose the internal components. Now, use the compressed air to blow out any dust and debris. Focus on the fans and vents, as they can accumulate a lot of dirt. Wipe down surfaces with a soft cloth to remove any stubborn grime. After cleaning, do a visual inspection. Look for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice anything unusual, consider a professional diagnosis without obligation. Once everything is clean, reattach the cover and secure it with the screws. Remember, you can enjoy pickup and delivery at your home for any repairs needed. No calls, no travel, just convenience. Always get a quote before repair to avoid surprises. Your PS5 will thank you for the care. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.